folks, what's up, what am I doing? This is Honda Parts Day. I picked up this thing. Somebody is, looks like somebody online got smart. They took old parts, cleaned them up, and put some spray paint on it, and sold it for 10, 12 bucks. It's one of the back plates for the rear axle thing. I picked up this for the Honda. I also picked up, yeah, so got one of these, and I got something else. I also have this thing. This, I think, is the right axle for 1986 Big Red. Why do I only have this? Because I'm missing the left axle to get that thing rolling. I now have the front. I could put the front wheel on. I can't put the back on because I'm missing the other axle, because apparently 85s and 86 don't have the same axles, and they don't have the same rear swing arm. So if you know anything about Big Reds, which are quite a few knowledgeable people, way more knowledgeable than me, you'll know that this is an 86. I don't know if there's any bearings on here or what. There's just splines, and I guess the screw nut or whatever goes on here, and the tire goes on here. And this apparently is not a flat lug nut thing. It's got the little indented lug nuts, so I don't know if I need a special kind of groovy thing. The other thing I picked up, which I thought was really cool, if I have it, gotta make sure I don't break this, because I have an original factory OEM. It's like somebody heat sealed it themselves. This is a, I'm going to open this up because I want to open it. Where's my knife? Knife. Scissors, anything? There we go. Cheap knife. I do have scissors. This is a knife. Come on. Yeah, so much for sharp knife, huh? All the knives in the world and none of them are sharp. This is a Honda part. Yeah, it's been opened. It is a brand spanking new Honda emblem. It's gray. It is. This is like, ooh-wee. These things are like $50, $60 all day long online. This wasn't that much, but usually they're trashed. They are completely trashed. This is a brand spanking new one. What I would like to try to do is make one, take this and use it. I'd like, what I'm thinking of doing is buying a silicone kit and making a silicone mold and trying to make a plastic mold. And maybe I can make a, I don't know, figure if I can make a little, because you just stamp it in it, make a mold and put two little, like, maybe make it a little bit extra, make it the same thickness, but drop a bolt in there so you can just make a new one. Pour it in there with some bolts, and it might be good. I'm going to keep this in my drawer so I don't smash it. So that I picked up because on the bike, wait, I'll show you. Stay tuned, I'll show you. So what I was saying is most of the bikes have this problem, and these are all beat up, and this one's got a, how did that happen? This one is not so bad. It's pretty cool, but these are always missing, and they kind of just squeeze in the back here. You got to kind of squeeze them out a little. Let's see if I can get this one out. I'll show you. You got to kind of push them out of here. See, there's a little like thing in the back there. They got the little split and it kind of locks in. So you have to kind of get a pair of tweezers or something skinny in there to push them. You gotta. Let me push this one out of here. I don't think that one's coming out. So I don't know if you got to put like a screwdriver in the middle, maybe. Push it out. There we go. That one came out. Looks like it's... Let me see. There we go. So yeah, they're always mutilated. See, like what happened? This one is tortured. Still works, but it's not very. It's like the. If you look on here, the finish is coming off. It's. I think. I'm guessing maybe they're all gray and they put some kind of chemical on it, get off, and then the screws in the bottom here usually come out, which I think the other one fell out too. Yeah, the little screws that go inside are under there. So I was thinking of maybe if I can use one of these as a mold, as a pattern, maybe I could make a new square and put like, you know, maybe put my own logo in there or something. It'd be fun. But they're not made to come out that easy. And if you want to get this off the bike, you have to take this off. You have to take this off to get off the bike. So you literally have to go under the bike and messed it up. This is an 86 one. I'm trying to find a nice one. This is pretty decent. I'm not trying to make the bike into a show bike, but that's what I got. And so yeah. I'm just trying to make the bike look decent. You know, like right now, if you look at the, see right here, I found a red seat. I haven't found anybody who redoes seats like that. Apparently nobody makes 86, 85, 86, and 87 or 88 seat foam. They make all the other years. So I'm gonna probably have to buy my own foam and wing it from there. Thankfully, I think I have another seat somewhere that doesn't suck in here that I think is somewhat original. So stay tuned and I'll let you know how that goes. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles.